Hello, this is my population on population. This is my presentation on population bottlenecks. So what is a population bottleneck? A population bottleneck occurs when a population size is substantially reduced. The loss of genetic variety might cause a new population to become genetically different from the original, leading to the theory that population bottlenecks can lead to the emergence of new species. During the images, we can see on the left image that there is the original population. Then after the bottleneck event, which is the factor that causes the populations to reduce, there are only the surviving population, which then later on developed to a new, bigger population, but only with the genes of the bottleneck survivors. So factors as mass extinction, catastrophic calamities, and so on, a very long list, can reduce a population to a few commons. In humans, severe population bottleneck, or more precisely, a fully fledged speciation, happened 2 million years ago among a group that transitioned into what we now know as Homo erectus, according to the 1999 model. So even humans have been through population bottlenecks. In this graph, it is further explained how the population size is high. Then after the bottleneck event, a population decreases drastically, and some of it goes into extinction, and the ones that don't undergo extinction recover to a new species. Some examples are American bison, northern elephant seals, golden hamsters, and so on. Even cheetahs. Cheetahs are important. Yes, and because we know that a genetic bottleneck occurs when a population size is drastically decreased, we know that all these animals I just mentioned have gone through a bottleneck event, some extinction, and then recovery. So we can see on the left, these are the American bison, which are a great example about population bottlenecks. And on the right image on the left side, we can see cheetahs, which are also a great example. We also have this little graph that can also help us understand how it works, how population bottleneck works. So finally, we have the explanation. Because many alleles or gene variations that were present in the original populations are lost as a result of the population bottleneck, the gene pool of the population shrinks. The remaining population has an extremely low amount of genetic diversity as a result of the event, which implies that the population as a whole has few genetic features. Rarely occurring alleles have higher likelihood of being lost, reducing the gene pool even further. The loss of genetic variety might cause the new population to become genetically different from the original, leading to the theory that population bottlenecks can lead to the emergence of new species. So in conclusion, the loss of alleles after the bottleneck event changes the population into a new one because there is a lot of inbreeding into only the survivors. So the new population is a result of the genes of the surviving population. It's the bibliography, and that is it. Thank you for watching. I hope you found my explanation and videos satisfactory, and I get a good grade.